Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but shispa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Deputy Inspector General Jong Katanat Sipai BSF Meghalaya Frontier OP Upadhyaya la Jingrung ya ki borsen Shnong ki badan Khappud ka jila Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh. Ki baju Peitngor lem ya ka Jingrung tu jong ki mender na kari Bangladesh shaupur sam jo kari India. Ha ka jinga keren bigila patai khobor. Upadhyaya ha ka shitarik ujembang arja pesan ulaong ba Katanat Sipai BSF kalayo jing kersian ru na katanat pulit jong ka jela ban tem yaki kamruna ruser ha Khappud ulet hu ru ba ka jingdon jong ki floodlight bala pendaj hasilenter ka Khappud jong ka Meghalaya kala Ïarap Sipai BSF ban Peitngor ya ka Khappud wad ha kapor min miet.
As you all aware that the border security forces always remain alert 24/7 and we are having this specialization in night dominance. So we have further strengthened our night dominance capabilities, the surveillance capabilities and deployment of some additional manpower. We have reviewed our the existing deployment, the existing security measures, and we have taken adequate security measures including deployment of additional manpower as well as additional surveillance equipment. Apart from that, we have raised our level of coordination with the state police and other agencies, and we have also interacted with the local population, local NOCMAs and the acclaimed civilian authorities, and we are getting full support of them. The border conditions are at the moment are very much under control. We have got excellent coordination with the state and other sister agencies, and we are quite vigilant. And the best part is that we are getting full support of the border populations. Our civilian brethren in border areas, they are quite vigilant and they are supporting us. Our coordination with BGB as usual, and we do not see any major shift in their approach. We are regularly having flag meetings with them. We are regularly sorting out the local issues which are being dealt by the local battalion commanders and the BOP commanders. Though there are some issues of erecting the fencing within 150 meters of the international border. So we are working on that and hopefully we'll be able to address those issues. See, as usual, any incident take place in the vicinity or in the country, there is a requirement of having enhanced level of security and vigilance. So accordingly, we have enhanced our security as well as our vigilance, and we are ready for any eventuality. There is no problem as such. Actually, if you see that we have got a border floodlights in the border areas. So earlier these border floodlights were of the first generation border floodlights. But very recently we have replaced all the floodlights along 400 kilometer of the complete border with Meghalaya with the advanced floodlights. So the area is well lit now and it is helping us in the night dominance. So you can visit and you can see that during night the whole of the border area is well lit and the complete area is under observation and under dominance. Actually, roughly, if I can say, around 42 kilometers of border in Meghalaya is unfenced. And primarily it is because of the non-availability of the land. We are working in close coordination with the state government and the officers of the state government and the Honorable CM, they are also concerned about this issue and they are proactively working on that. And I am hopeful that the impediments in this regard will be very soon removed. The respective deputy commissioners of the concerned districts, they are also working on this issue, and they are trying to persuade the villagers, those whose land is going to be affected, and they have got some concern that after coming of the fencing, the land ahead of the fence will not be available to them. So my approach is that we are ready to help all the border populations, people of the border areas, in whatever sense they will require our assistance, be it in the form of security and patrols, be it in the form of the gates in the fencing. We are ready for that. So from our side there is no problem, but I also appeal through media to the people of the bordering district that they should cooperate and willingly hand over the lands to the constructing agencies, so that this is a project of the national importance. It has bearing on the national security, and as soon as we get the area fenced, this will be better for the security of the state, the security of the nation, as well as the security of the border population.